hate sneezing. I don't hate orgasms.
Love orgasms.
So I would assume that the more I sneeze, the more angry I would get. In my house, we have a 2-sneeze rule.
You have a rule.
Sneeze the one time, God bless you. Sneeze the second time, you say, okay. More than that, you say, enough.
So you only give people one sneeze to get God bless you?
Yeah, because all of the other sneezes are like, they've been blessed already.
I'll say God bless you, then I'll give you a bless you. Then the third one I go, okay, bless you. Like I'll put
Really?
a
You
okay.
get serious about
The
it.
fourth one I won't say anything, and then I'll wait until this fucking charade is over, and then I'll go, what was that?